Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome once again to another session of mine. Today I am very excited. I'm thrilled to, do this live session with somebody who I've always kind of, considered so close to my heart. So the first time I met her was when it was in 2007, when I had just started my, radio career. And her name is Sophia Anjum. She has so much to her credit. 30 years, she's become my best friend. And I mean, she is a host on television, on radio. She currently is doing. आपका introduction देनी है तो
Hello.
you'll have to stay
मैंने सोचा हाँ मेरे को
quiet for
लगा
just
early
2 minutes.
early intro हो गया. Okay.
So I was telling everybody that when the first time when I actually met you was in 2000, I think 2007, and
2000.
it was I think the best thing I ever did was to be friends with this lovely girl, woman, female
Again.
over here on the screen right now. She
Thank
has
you.
a lot to her credit, and I'm not just saying that because she's a friend, but I've actually seen her grow, and I've actually seen her, turn into this amazing woman who is just so fantastic in every way possible. She's currently doing a radio show, Drive On with Sophie. I mean, how could I not like say with Sophie on FM 91, which of course is very dear to my heart as well. She's been on television. She'll tell you all about that. And digitally, she has a YouTube show, S Stories के नाम से. And उसके अलावा भी, she's a social worker and she does a lot of work. So I
Thank
was
you,
telling
Vinesh.
everyone how excited I am. And I started this blog like 2, 3 months ago. But, I think what I'm going to talk to you about today is probably going to be something that I don't think I can have this conversation with anyone else because, you will understand the dialogue that I want to have. So,
Yeah.
welcome to Daily Diaries
Thank you
with
so much
me.
for having me. And I actually wanted to have a conversation with you, and I was like,
Hmm.
Vinesh से मैं पूछूं कि why has she not called me on the show before? But I was like, नहीं, हर चीज का time होता है. I feel that
Ha.
this is something you and I can do very comfortably. This
Yes, we can.
conversation. Yes.
Absolutely. And, I mean, yes, like I definitely want to ask you, all the stuff that you've been doing. I always see, I love S stories. I think,
Thank
everything
you.
that you do over there is very relevant. You talk about stuff, you speak to people, very relevant people. And I mean, I'm a fan. You're my dear friend, and it's just amazing to see you, grow into this super responsible and fantastic human being. So, first of all, congratulations for S Stories. I don't know if I ever said that to you before,
Thank
but
you,
very
Vinesh. I
proud of
feel as if
you.
I'm flying right now because coming from you, this is supposed to be like a mutual admiration club that we started. We're supposed to say nice things about each other for sure. But I remember that when I started off my radio career, that one person
Hmm.
that I was completely in awe of and I was totally inspired by was Vinesh Khan. You know why?
Oh,
Because I felt that she was the complete package. Beautiful girl, lovely voice, clarity, good choice in music, hardworking, and that spunk in her personality, which is not boring. So I always looked
oh.
up to her.
Thank you so much, Sophie. And I think meeting you in 2007 was probably the best thing about 2007 and a lot of years after that as well.
Yes,
So,
yes.
diving straight into the conversation,
So,
I don't want to kind of go around in circles. There is a lot that is happening.
yeah.
We've seen a lot, in this world, in the society, changes, and a lot of good things have happened, a lot of bad things have happened. And क्या 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 चल रहा है तुम्हारे आजकल दिमाग में? Do you feel, my first question to you, as a woman, as a professional, as someone who steps out of the house to, do your work, meet people, क्या 2020 में तुम्हें घर से बाहर निकलते हुए काम के लिए या for whatever reason, do you feel safe?
Binish, that's a very important question. And
Hmm.
I can talk about myself. I can
Hmm.
talk about myself because right now I feel that I'm in a comfort zone, and you and I are both working professionals as well as friends. To be very honest, जब आप किसी चीज के बारे में ज्यादा सुनते हो या देखते हो, then subconsciously you start thinking about it. or somewhere in your mind there's something that's stuck. Okay, so it's not safe for women to be out on the streets or at this particular hour, or
Yeah.
something that she's not supposed to do.
Hmm.
What we're supposed to do is change that narrative. Okay? So we can't bow down to pressure, and we can't bow down to what we hear and see and believe for now, and feel that this is the only truth there is in the world for us to see. There have been a lot of unfortunate incidents happening in Pakistan and around the world for many years.
Yeah.
A lot of people have been talking about it, but they were not so vocal about it on the social media, because the social media has now become the tool of communication, which is very easily accessible. And also, I feel that everyone can just say anything and sort of get away with it as well at the same time. देखिए, एक बड़ी famous quotation है that the only permanent thing in life is change. So we are going through a very thought-provoking phase in our life, Beenish, and I feel that we should make the most of it in the way that we should learn from the mistakes we are making. And we have been making a lot of mistakes. We have been making mistakes over and over again. So I feel that you and I, चाहे हमारे पास छोटा प्लेटफॉर्म हो चाहे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म हो, हमारा काम क्या है कि हम उस नैरेटिव को बदलें. Right? So I think enough with words, enough with your flowery statements and phrases and all. I think it's time for action. So the key word after reflection in 2020, because we've been through this, should be action. A CTA.
But do you really think, Sophie, that, you know, I'm not talking about you or me right now, but I'm talking about, you know, the regular person, you know. Do you think everyone has actually gone through the phase of reflection and now stepped forward into the next phase? Do you think, as a working professional, as a citizen of this country, do you think that most Pakistanis have been reflecting?
देखिए, the thing is, they should be reflecting. अब वो करे ना करे तो उनकी choice है. But you know, Binesh, whether you choose to do it or not, the thing is that being in the COVID-19 situation here in Pakistan, you were bound to go through something difficult in your life. अब हो सकता है कुछ घरानों में jobs की problem हो, कुछ घरानों में health की problem हो, कुछ घरानों में uncertainty की problem हो, कुछ घरानों में mental health की problem हो. So what's blue to you would be green to me. But we are still on the same page somehow or the other. That something is not right, right?
Something
so we're going through a difficult phase, and I think it depends on us as individuals that how we make the most of it. एक बड़ी famous quotation है, Vinesh, I'd like to quote it, that life is about 10% of what happens to you, but 90% of how you react to it. So that
but then there are more people, but then, you know, I'd like to add to that quotation of yours. But then I also read somewhere that, you know, you fall either in, so there's 50-50 percentage. So you either fall in those 50 percentage where something has already happened with you, or the other 50 percentage where something will happen to you. So doesn't that kind of scare you, or, you know, doesn't, I mean, कभी सोच के ऐसे घबराता नहीं है दिल, या कभी परेशान नहीं होती कि oh my god, like, you know, like.
That's a very interesting question again, and I feel that I can only talk about myself. देखिए, मुझे ऐसा feel होता है कि मैं जिस तरह जिस नजरिए से जिंदगी को देखती हूँ वो मैं.
But there's Sophie, okay, but you are mashallah, I'd like to say this before you give me the answer to that. You are one of the very rare people who are very positive in any given situation. I can tell you that for a fact. मतलब कि दुनिया हिल भी रही होगी ना, तो you'll just be like, हाँ नहीं, but हिल रही है, but maybe इसमें, you know, whatever. Most people are not like you. Most people are not, and the reason I'm asking you this is because, mashallah, because of your platform, because of the work that you're doing a lot of social work. You get to meet a lot of local Pakistani people, you know, जो common man है, you know, you meet a lot of those people. So what is the mindset is what I'm, you know, maybe that is what I'm trying to kind of ask you in a way, that, you know, when you meet people,
Yeah, I'll answer your question in two parts. First of all, thank you for the kind words. Also, I feel that anyone in my situation would have reacted differently as well. So it's not कि मैं कोई एक अनोखी पीस हूँ दुनिया की जो मैं इस तरह act करती हूँ. I feel that if we plan on perceiving life in a certain way, we can do it. That's what they say. She believed she could, so she did.
So
all
she
you need
did.
to do is believe. You have to believe and direct your path towards it. Secondly, the mindset, if you talk about the narrative of how men perceive women in our society, that narrative needs to shift a little bit. I wouldn't be wrong to say that we've actually managed to change a few people, if not many, but it's a long journey. देखिए हमारी जो आबादी है वो माशाल्लाह 22 करोड़ से बहुत ज्यादा है. ऊपर से पॉपुलेशन है हमारी यंग, ठीक है, रूरल पॉपुलेशन भी बहुत है, छोटे शहर भी बहुत हैं, एजुकेशन की कमी है. Somehow or the other, there are certain things to think of. Abhi, just a while ago, my second cousin was here, Neha. We were talking about conditioning. जब आपकी सोसाइटी में एक चीज आपको बताई जाती है कि आपने इस तरह बिहेव करना है या इस तरह जिंदगी बसर करनी है, तो then you will grow up believing that this is the way the world should behave. Anything different that happens is alien to your concept.
Yes,
and you are unable to grasp that concept that no, if she is doing something which we have been told is not good and not on in our society, then she must be the evil one. So that is something that we need to understand, the concept of critical thinking in our society, जिसमें 4-5 points हैं, ठीक है? Number 1, implementation of laws, which is the most important. Laws हमारे हैं prevalent in our society. The judicial system in our country needs to be set. There's no system. There's no trust in that system. We don't believe in the justice system. Why? Because we feel कि कोर्ट में केस जाएगा, कोई ना कोई कॉन्टैक्ट आ जाएगा, पैसा है, पावर है, प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो भूल जाएगा बंदा. That is something that needs to be dealt with. Secondly,
but Sophie, okay, I beg to differ. I respect your opinion, but I beg to differ because ऐसा होता है, जिनके contacts होते हैं, unfortunately, इस पूरी दुनिया में, I don't even want to just talk just about Pakistan, but दुनिया ऐसे ही चलती है, नहीं? I mean,
जुडिशियल सिस्टम जो पाकिस्तान में हमारी तरह ना, वो पूरी दुनिया में ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज हमारी प्रॉब्लम की छोटी सी. डू वी हैव एनी ट्रैफिक लॉज?
वी हैव नथिंग.
वी हैव ट्रैफिक लॉज. डू यू नो दैट देयर इवन एनिमल राइट्स लॉज इन पाकिस्तान?
बट फॉलो कौन करता है?
Exactly my point. So the point is कि लॉस का मसला नहीं है. मसला क्या है कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होती, क्योंकि हमें डर नहीं है. हमें पता है हमें पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलनी है. अभी हमने रेड लाइट देखी, वी डोंट केयर, हमने क्रॉस कर
दिया. तो कौन इम्प्लीमेंट करेगा इसको?
Because the government and the judicial system. It is not for us to decide. हम तो नहीं जाके मार्च पे जाके कहते हैं कि इम्प्लीमेंट करो. Yes, we can be vocal about it, but in the end, we're not the ones making those policies, are we?
Yeah, we're not the ones making those policies.
To do their job.
That's true.
And they're public servants, right?
Yeah.
Number 1.
So, No, please carry on.
Number 2 जो बहुत important है, वो है हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम. अब आप ये देखिए कि बचपन में we've been told that okay, so रट्टा system is the way to go about it. हमने जिस तरह एक रोबोट होता है ना, पढ़ना है,
समझ के नहीं पढ़ना है.
समझ के नहीं पढ़ना, right? So we have to introduce the concept of critical thinking, that it's okay to differ from your opinion, or it's okay to think differently, or it's okay to ask questions. That is something which is missing. Pertaining to harassment, I feel good touch, bad touch is very important for us.
Very
It
important.
should be taught at home and at the school level.
School level as well.
Education at a certain level, which is appropriate, should be taught. Which is extremely important. क्योंकि जो word है ना sex का, that is also very controversial. I'll give you an example. So with my cousins and I, when we were kids, एक किताब होती थी बायोलॉजी की. हम बेवकूफ से होते थे, ठीक है, सारे बच्चे ही हू हा. उस बायोलॉजी की बुक के अंदर एक पेज होता था जिसके अंदर पूरे एक खातून का और एक मर्द की ऑर्गन्स थे, और हमें देख के हंसी आती थी. We were foolish as kids, right? Now, the concept of sex has been so curtailed and twisted in our society that we cannot wrap our heads around it. Be it
which probably causes more frustration.
Yes, it does.
That causes more frustration. Yeah.
And इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि sex education का मतलब ये नहीं कि अल्लाह माफ करे, अस्तगफुरुल्लाह, आप लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं ये क्या उल्टा काम. They're telling you something which is useful and beneficial for you in the future as adults. So I think these are important conversations we need to have.
They definitely, I agree with you on that one for sure, that घर में तो ठीक है, like आपके पेरेंट्स होते हैं, आपके बहन भाई होते हैं, like they all kind of, will teach you a lot of things you will learn at school, but a lot of things you will learn at home also. And I agree that definitely it should be also spoken about, if not taught, but spoken about. There should be seminars and stuff in school level as well. Good touch, bad touch, बहुत जरूरी है. Now that I
Why do you
myself
think?
am my parent,
Exactly. Vinesh, मेरी बात सुनो. You send
हाँ,
somebody to study abroad, हाँ? अब बंदा सोचता है यार ये बाहर से पढ़ लिख कर आया है, बड़ा चपड़ चपड़ करता है. Like suddenly you've broadened your horizons and your perspective in life has changed. Why? It's because you started to think critically. You started to question people around you.
But then, okay, now I'm going to touch upon something which is a little, sad, controversial, upsetting, terrifying. So we all we saw it in the news. We all heard about the incident on the motorway with that lady and her children. उसके अलावा, I don't know if you saw the news, but उसके अलावा continuously 1-1.5 हफ्ते तक हम रेप केसेस के बारे में न्यूज पढ़ते गए. अभी कराची में ये डॉल्मेन मॉल के बाहर ये हो गया, फलां यहाँ हो गया, ये यहाँ हो गया. मेरा सवाल ये है कि ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ती क्यों जा रही है हमारी सोसाइटी में? Why is it too much for a citizen? Whether I'm not just talking about women over here, I'm not just talking about children, I'm talking about men, women, children, bade, buzurg, bude, everyone. Is it really too much to ask that you are safe in your own country? I'm not talking about the entire world. I am talking right now about Pakistan. Why is it, even in my promo I said it, and I meant it when I said it, that क्यों अब actually cases बहुत, I think past में भी बहुत हुए हैं, but कुछ ऐसी stories या कुछ ऐसे cases होते हैं जो आपको हिला के रख देते हैं. You then start questioning your, the entire system. You start questioning, why did it happen? How could that, like then victim blaming, that okay, वो उस time पे ना क्यों निकली, बच्चों को क्यों लेके निकली, किसी को साथ क्यों नहीं बिठाया? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर किसी को साथ भी बिठाया होता, गन पॉइंट पे कोई क्या कर लेता? Why did anyone not ask this question? So there's victim blaming. There's a lot of things, but is it really too much to ask for your basic right, which is basic security in your country, in your city?
Of course. I mean, it's the basic right of every citizen in our country to feel safe in our country. And if we feel unsafe being a woman, being a man, being a transgender, a kid, whoever you are, however you identify yourself with, I feel that is a huge responsibility on the state. Now, I'm not just blaming the state here. This is not a blame game right now. Okay, there are different tiers. So let's talk about it tier-wise. Okay?
Yes.
Let's start with the government. अच्छा, अब गवर्नमेंट का क्या काम होता है बीनेश? गवर्नमेंट का काम होता है एक निजाम को सेट करना, which means a system. Right. So when there is no system, everything falls apart. सबसे पहले सिस्टम होना चाहिए जिसके लिए गवर्नमेंट को बहुत सारे पॉइंटर्स जहन में रख के चलने चाहिए. राइट नाउ वन ऑफ द मेजर पॉइंट्स दैट पीपल आर बीइंग वेरी वोकल अबाउट, पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स. They're saying कि जो हमारे पुलिस में बंदे हैं, I'm not saying all, ठीक है, but I'm saying majority, and I'm generalizing it holistically speaking, that they are involved in either most of the crimes. They either hide the crimes, they're either corrupt, they do not believe in a system, or they do victim blaming and victim shaming, which is uncalled for. So एक ऐसा इदारा जो कि आपकी हिफाजत करना चाहता है,
करनी चाहिए,
निजाम नहीं है, करना चाहिए, उसमें कोई निजाम नहीं है, तो वो आपकी मदद किस तरह करेगा और आपकी हिफाजत किस तरह करेगा? सबसे पहले तो ये 2 पॉइंट्स आते हैं. तीसरा पॉइंट आता है पनिशमेंट्स का. देखिए, when you are raising a kid, you have a kid, right? How old is he?
He's mashallah going to turn 2.
Okay, so when he's naughty, what do?
I sit him down at the moment if he doesn't listen, but later on in the day I sit him down and I tell him, I talk to him about it.
You talk to him about it, so he knows that if he does something wrong, he'll be accountable for his actions.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Have you ever let him be that, okay, fine, अगर ये शरारतें कर रहा है, ये इसने गलत काम किया तो मैं चुप रही हूँ? Have you ever done that as a mother?
नहीं, I've never done that. In fact, I've been told by a lot of, elders that छोड़ दो, सीख लेगा, कर लेगा, बच्चे ऐसे ही होते हैं, terrible twos हैं, But I'm not like that. I will sit him down. I will sometime, if not that day, the next day, will sit him down. Although he's very young, he will not understand. But he needs to understand why I do that is because I understand why you're asking me this question.
Exactly.
Is
Right? So
because
that's
he
an
should know that
accountability.
he's accountable for
Yes,
what he does.
that is the thing.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अब हमने 3 फैक्टर्स डिस्कस कर लिए. अब
Yeah.
तीनों चीजें डाइसी और स्केची हैं, राइट? फिर आ जाते हैं हम अपनी सोसाइटी के ऊपर. अब सोसाइटी का कल्चर होता है, सही है. अब जिस तरह हमारे जो सीसीपीओ साहब है उन्होंने बोला था जी, मैडम जो है उनको लग रहा था वो फ्रांस की सड़कों के ऊपर फिर रही थी, तो उनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये पाकिस्तान है. Now let's take that as a statement and a case study and talk about it. Because you've been abroad, you've been on vacation as well. Can you tell me one thing? Do you dress differently when you go abroad?
A little differently, yeah.
Why?
Because I probably feel safer, and I probably feel that people wouldn't like obviously because culture different hai, tariqe different hai, traditions different hai, people
Because
wouldn't
people
like
would judge
stare
you?
at me, look at me, they wouldn't judge me. Yeah, absolutely.
Judge you, right? Okay, fine. So the problem with our society is that unfortunately we belong to a very judgmental society. You and I included. हम दोनों इसमें शामिल हैं. हम अपने आप को exclude नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है? We belong to a judgmental society, and we belong to a society that is not acceptable to change. तो हमारे जहन में अभी भी वही कॉन्सेप्ट है कि अगर आपने नेशनल टीवी के ऊपर एक खातून को दिखा दिया कि वो फिटनेस के लिए काम कर रही हैं, तो ये अल्लाह माफ करे, अल्लाह अकबर, ये क्या हो गया, आप तो हमारी
I saw that.
But the same people would not utter a single word when a child, God forbid, is being raped. A mother is being raped in front of her children. Why? So the question mark needs to be addressed.
Yeah.
Number one, आप एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं ना, एजुकेशन बिल्कुल फायदा नहीं देगी अगर आपका जो करिकुलम है या जो आप सिलेबस पढ़ाते हैं वो इस काबिल ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
जिसमें आप क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग ही नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर तो यू रेजिंग रोबोट्स.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
We have to understand the educational system. Again, बात आती इदारे के ऊपर, एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर. What's missing in Pakistan is the basic lack of good infrastructure. Then we come to the portrayal of different people in a society through the media. Okay? अच्छा, अब मीडिया के ऊपर अब मुझे बताएं टॉप 5 ट्रेंड्स क्या चल रहे हैं आपके ख्याल से. नेम सम ऑफ द स्टार्स in the media industry.
Mahira Khan, Hania, who else is there? Asim, Azhar.
Okay. Have you ever seen
Ali Haider, Ali Zafar. See, I don't even follow. You know me. I'm not like, I don't follow these trends and stuff.
Well, let me give you a brief example. So if you follow Mahira Khan or Aisha Umar's social media profile, you check out the comments that people make on their dress and their character.
Ridiculous. I've seen that, yeah.
On probably Atif Aslam or Humayun Said's pages would be completely different. That, हाँ भाई का scene है, you were the man, you're Pakistan's pride. The same thing the girl would be doing, but she would be bashed for a character. That is the culture of the society. Yeah, and this is something we cannot say, नहीं ये तो फजूल बोल रही. This exists. देखिए कोई भी problem को solve करने से पहले the first thing is you diagnose the problem.
Yeah. You diagnose the problem. ये problem क्या है और कहाँ है? Where does the problem lie? लोगों के दिमागों में, हमारे दिमागों में ये problem है basically.
और ये कि आप कहते हो कि एजुकेशन, बंदा तो बाहर से पढ़ लिख कर आया है, इसको क्या हो गया?
उसी को कहते हैं ना पढ़ा लिखा अनपढ़, उसी को कहते हैं सोफी. हम सुनते हैं ना दादियों से और अपनी अम्माओं से that ये देखो the way this person is behaving like a पढ़ा लिखा अनपढ़. Because it's not just always just the degree that you get. It's these little things also that combine and make you the person that you are.
Can I share an interesting dialogue that I recently just popped up in my feed? एक फिल्म थी फरहान अख्तर की और प्रियंका चोपड़ा की, वो कौन सी फिल्म, दिल धड़कने दो, I think it was. उसके अंदर डायलॉग ये चल रहा था कि फरहान अख्तर जो है ना वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा के हस्बैंड से बात कर रहे हैं. तो उसका हस्बैंड कहता है, राहुल बोस, he's a very famous actor, वो कहता है देखिए जी हमारी फैमिली में तो बड़े कंजर्वेटिव लोग थे, तो हमारी फैमिली में किसी खातून को तो अलाउड ही नहीं था कि वो काम
अलाउड ही नहीं था. तुम you should feel
और मैंने अपनी बीवी को अलाउ किया है तुम बिजनेस कर लो. तो फरहान asked him, excuse me, आपने अपनी बीवी को अलाउ किया So this is the question mark right here, the mindset. You cannot allow her to do things that she can do at her own will. अगर आप रिलीजन की भी बात करें या आप ह्यूमैनिटेरियन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी बात करें तो she can do her own business. She can run her own business. What is this allowing bit that you feel आपने एहसान किया है कि आपने अपनी बीवी के लिए काम किया?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
ये वो मैं पढ़े लिखे इंसान की बात करें जो बाहर से पढ़ लिख कर आए हैं बट फिर भी ये सोचते हैं कि हमने एहसान किया है. So these are some of the things we need to tackle, and we cannot do that by, let me also tell you, by screaming and shouting, Vinesh.
No.
I'm not for screaming and shouting and being in a certain way, which I know would not work. But I have to prove it through my actions, and I have to convince.
And through a constant dialogue. And
Yes.
through a constant dialogue, basically.
Yes.
You know, I really like the flow of our discussion, because this is actually this was going to be my next question. That, you know, when we talk about a society, this is my observation, you know, I may be wrong, but this is my observation, that I feel as a society, we have become very bitter towards, you know, very judgmental, like you said. And that's the reason I said that I like the flow of our discussion, is because I agree that we have become very judgmental. We are keyboard warriors. कि घर में बैठ के फोन के पीछे किसी को नहीं पता what you look like or whatever, but comment जरूर मारना है, you know.
Yep.
किसी ने क्या पहना हुआ है, या किसी ने क्या बोला है, या किसी को क्या है. और कहीं ना कहीं, because I've also been a working professional for many, many years, so are you. You know, we've also seen people, our parents have been, my mother was a working woman, so I kind of have that, you know, culture in my family where the women of our family also work, you know. And कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसे feel होता है, not just women, but I just feel that our society has turned into people who are actually genuinely, I'm not saying all 100%, but most of them are genuinely jealous of other people's success. Do you think that as well? कि अगर किसी ने hard work करके, या चाहे जो भी, whatever, and if that person has achieved a certain level, and even if that person was with you or whatever, आप किसी का success देखे, यहाँ भी मैं point ये लाना चाहूंगी कि actresses, actors, singers, जिनको आप नहीं भी जानते, उनके success से भी आपको jealousy हो जाती है. I feel that, you know, do you agree with me? What is your input on this?
I think your question has two parts. So the first part I shall answer, which was about online trolling, that keyboard warriors are always at it. You know how back in the day, I feel ancient as we say it, but when we were in school, there was no social media, right?
No.
So we were bullied in school. A lot of people were bullied in school, and there were bullies all over. होता क्या था कि स्कूल में जब आप किसी bully को देखते थे, that's it. It used to end right there. And then the child used to suffer, yes, but it was an ongoing process from school to home. Okay?
Yeah.
That was the process. Now what's happened is that you have bullies all over. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, 24/7, that phone of yours, which is in your hand, is not bully proof. Anyone can just come and say something nasty to you and get away with it because they can. Unfortunately, we do not have digital laws in the space. Yes, we do have a foundation called the Digital Rights Foundation, spearheaded by Nikat Dad, which does protect your rights. Then you can also go to FIA and lodge a complaint over there.
Yeah, FIA, हाँ, बिल्कुल.
It's a long process, you can do that, but I'm talking about your general opinions. For example, ये सोफी को देखो जरा, ये लाइट में इसका नाक कितना बड़ा लग रहा है, अपने आप को समझती क्या है, चुड़ैल लग रही है. I'm just saying, you can say something like that and then forget about it. But do you know कि जब मैंने ये comment पढ़ा, तो शायद मैं सारी रात इसके बारे में सोचती रहूंगी, और मेरा दिल दुखेगा, और मैं अगले दिन सोचूंगी कि यार वाकई क्या मेरा नाक बहुत बड़ा है, या क्या मैं बहुत बुरी लगती हूँ क्योंकि मैं तैयार नहीं हुई थी. You understand the impact of that one negative message?
Yeah, वही बात है ना कि आप वही अभी we were talking about it earlier on, that why I sit my son down and I talk to him, because he should know that अगर आप किसी को कुछ कहेंगे, बड़े बुजुर्ग इसीलिए तो कहते हैं ना सोफी, that now I sound like a very old soul, but बड़े बुजुर्ग इसीलिए कहते हैं ना कि बेटा सोचने से पहले 10 दफा बोलने से पहले 10 दफा सोचो, you know, because एक दफा आपकी कोई बात निकल गई आपके मुंह से, once you said something, you said it, you know, and you know, okay, so there are two things. My one thing is that we're okay with trolling We are okay with, saying nasty things. And the second part, which is more disturbing, is that we are okay with making someone feel terrible.
Yes, yes,
I
absolutely.
would
So,
feel really bad कि अगर मेरी जात की वजह से किसी को 10 मिनट भी सोचना पड़े, कि oh my god, that person has to question their existence or question how they dress or what they look like or body shaming or something, I would literally like feel terrible about myself. But what is more disturbing as a society is that people are okay with making other people feel terrible.
Neko Vinesh, I
ये
think this is a very important discussion, but also this is a very global perspective because everywhere you have bullies everywhere. Around the world, people say nasty things and they get away with it. The only thing is that there's a way of saying things, right? Like for
yeah,
example,
yeah.
when I put a naak wali example di and me not being dressed up right now because I had a long day. So for example, if I feel that okay, so this angle doesn't suit me, okay, or this lighting doesn't suit me, then there's a proper way of saying it. So it's not what you say, it is how you
How
say
you
it
say
that
it.
matters. So सबसे पहले तो everyone should start practicing this कि अगर आपको बहुत ही मुसीबत आई भी कि आपने हर हाल में comment करना है ये
करना ही है,
ठीक
बोलना ही है.
तरीके से कर लें. Number one. Number two, आपने जो I think I'd like to come to the second part of your question, which was about jealousy. Unless you want me to continue with the trolling.
No, please carry on the way you want to.
Okay, so I think that the jealousy factor, if you talk about women, see, women have been, well, how shall I put it? They've been
Objectified.
Yes, of course, that's there, but also they've
Yeah.
been, controlled for
Controlled,
so
yeah.
many years, for centuries. And finally, now that they're coming out of their shells, it's going to take time. I'm not saying that perhaps all the reaction that you're seeing around you is just and fair, but you iron out the flaws as you
Yeah.
go. This is a dialogue that needs to be done, right? Patriarchy, misogyny is not just related to men as a gender, right? Women also feel very patriarchal and they also have a lot of misogynist views because they feel नहीं भाई इस तरह लड़की को तो इस तरह करना चाहिए, लड़कों को इस तरह करना चाहिए, हमें ऐसा जीना चाहिए. Sometimes your dad wouldn't say something, but your mother would, right?
Yeah.
So it is the mindset. I feel women after a long time, Vinesh, has started getting some recognition for their work. Some form of appreciation.
Little bit, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I feel that they just want to share the limelight all by themselves, which is wrong. But a lot of people have now started campaigns and movements and initiatives in which they tell people that sharing is caring. So if I am to sort of wear a crown and so are you, just fixing each other's crowns is not going to be a bad thing. I mean, किसी की मदद करने से
lifting each other up is the way to go.
Exactly. Your shine wouldn't diminish just because I'm fixing your crown. My shine would remain the same. I think we need to work on women working with each other because we've been so vocal about men bashing women that we have somehow sort of forgotten the fact that yes, women need to start working with each other as well. So I think slowly we'll get there.
Yeah. So, Sophie, what are the challenges that you face as a single, extremely accomplished, professional who is talented and, is doing your own thing and is successful? What are the challenges that you face?
Thank you for that. Beanish, to be very honest, again, this is my own personal opinion. And again, a lot of people might disagree. But I have not faced a lot of challenges as such because I don't really care a lot. See, the thing is, एक कान से सुन के दूसरे कान से निकाल देती हूँ. मैं वही करती हूँ जो मुझे सही लगता है. So if my gut tells me that this is the right direction, this is what I want to do, then bring it on. So for me, only people who matter, their thoughts matter to me. Their viewpoints matter to me. So I don't think that I've actually faced a kind of challenge from the society. Also, because I have not been extremely vocal negatively about my emotions on the social media.
That's another, I agree with you on that. I think it's also a lot has to do with how much you allow other people to control you. And I think, I definitely agree.
See, the thing is, I have a Twitter account and I'm very vocal on Twitter. Vocal in the sense that I talk about things that I feel happy about. I put my work out there. You probably see me promoting my own self most of the time.
तो क्यों नहीं, why not?
ठीक है ना, मतलब
Why
in the
not?
sense कि it's not just words, Binish. I put
Yeah,
my hard work into it, and
yeah,
this is called action. Right? This is execution of your ideas.
yeah.
That you have a magazine that talks about issues that matter. You have a YouTube show that talks about issues that matter. That is my contribution to the society. अब मैं लड़ना शुरू हो
Yeah.
जाऊं तो फिर मैं मतलब मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है कि मैं लोगों के साथ रीजन करूं. You know?
Bilkul, bilkul. So most Pakistanis, spend a lot of their time online, and we see a lot of trolling celebrities. Basically, anyone and everyone under the sun. किसी
Yeah.
को भी हम कुछ भी कह लेते हैं. Root cause क्या है? Do you think इसके पास क्यों है? मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है?
Hold on, there's a bit
Is
of
it
a.
maybe
Now I
buffer?
can see you and hear you. Yes.
Yeah, should I repeat my question?
Just half of it. I think I understood the first part.
You understood what,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just the second part. What was the second part? The last part of your
So,
question?
yeah, I was just saying that, I mean, it is a continuation, and then I want to jump to, the second phase of our conversation. But I do want to, kind of ask that is it because, कि हम दूसरों की success से jealous हो जाते हैं, हम कि उसके पास ये गाड़ी है तो हमारे पास क्यों नहीं है, उसने ये वाला लाइनर खरीदा है तो मैंने क्यों नहीं खरीदा है, उसके पास ये कपड़े हैं तो why do I know? I mean, these are just little things, but it could be at like a larger level as well. But is it because of the frustration, and do you think that COVID-19 has maybe added to that frustration? एक तो वैसे ही मुसीबत, ऊपर से घर में बैठ गए, ऊपर से तनख्वाहें भी कट गई, ऊपर से बहुत से लोगों की like we are still, I feel I'm in a privileged situation, but jobs भी नहीं है, so do you think it's also because of the frustration that when you're going through a tough time and someone else is actually going through a happy time, you kind of feel genuinely frustrated, which is why maybe people behave this way?
Vinesh, there are lots of answers to your question. There's not just one right answer. I think we've
Give me the
covered
one that fits with you.
Yeah, okay. So if you talk about COVID-19, I think that the social media has been a hero, and at the same time, it's been a bit of a demon. I think we were kind of, shifting between the two because there were so many good initiatives taken during the COVID-19 phase. I'm sure आपने सोचा होगा और सुना होगा Corona Recovered Warriors के बारे में. This group that
Yeah,
was formed by
bilkul, of course. Yeah.
Do you know how he managed to help so many people in Corona times because of that group only? Plasma therapy, blood donation. So that is the power of the social media. In COVID-19, I think that there were a lot of, God bless all those souls who took up time to create such platforms for people जिसको फायदा हो. दूसरी बात ये आपने बात की थी, again, I think it's related to online trolling that we already talked about as well.
Yeah, we were talking about it. Okay.
Yeah, you can just get away with it. But there's something called in psychology projection. So, for example, if I have always wanted to be like Beenish, okay, and I was like, yeah, I've always wanted to do what Beenish wanted to do, but in my life I wasn't able to, and I see you doing the thing that you are doing because you're Beenish, then I will feel anger towards you and frustration because I'm not able to do it. So I will project those insecurities on the social media and put you down because of my insecurities. That's the issue. Yes.
Right. You've just put it so beautifully. I think these are things which I think at the back of your mind hoti hain, magar it's very important, like we said, like we've been talking about it shuru se, that it's very important to have this dialogue and to keep talking about these things so that more and more people can maybe hear and think about their actions and think 1,000 times before they speak or they type or they do whatever. Why is it that ठीक है, fine, I understand that television होता था पहले जमाने में, जब मेरे अब्बा का जमाना था पीटीवी का, तो उस जमाने में
what a legend, माशाल्लाह, what a legend.
जब वो जमाना होता था तो आई रिमेम्बर के मतलब एक ही चैनल था, इट वाज जस्ट पीटीवी, तो कोई इस तरह की वॉर और इस तरह की कोई मतलब थी, आई एम श्योर प्रोफेशनली होता होगा उस जमाने में भी, आई वाज वेरी यंग एट दैट टाइम, बट फिर नए स्टेशन आना शुरू हुए, एसटीएन, एनटीएन आया, फिर और चैनल्स आए, चैनल, और अब इतने चैनल हो गए हैं कि उसके बाद रेटिंग की वॉर शुरू होगी, एक ने मॉर्निंग शो शुरू किया है तो दूसरे ने भी किया है, उसने शादी भी किया है तो मैंने भी करना है, इट बिकेम, एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट ठीक है, this is in a way a business. It is a
Yeah.
business, not in a way. It is a business. And yes, ratings एक certain extent तक definitely matter करती हैं. But you know, at one point, I think this is earlier this year. I remember when I was doing one of my radio shows, I came across this article. I think on Guardian or somewhere, and they said that Instagram is now going to be finishing off the tab where it actually shows you the followers. They never ended up doing it, or I don't know whether they're still planning on doing it. But at one point, Instagram was actually thinking of removing that tab of, you know, कि भाई इसके कितने followers हैं or whatever. And I was very happy because, not because of any other reason, but because I am, you know me, I've never wanted to be stuck in that kind of a rat race. कि okay, you know, 10,000 हो तो 20,000 हो तो. Yes, एक certain amount matter करता है because you want your word to be out. You know, whatever you're trying to put out or whatever. But क्यों इतनी ज़्यादा एक वॉर बन गई है, एंड व्हाई इज इट कि लोगों का अप्रूवल और लोगों की ओपिनियन इतनी ज्यादा मैटर करने लगी है दैट इट्स नाउ ऑल अबाउट फॉलोअर्स एंड इट्स नाउ ऑल अबाउट लाइक्स कि जी टिकटॉक पे इतने हैं तो इंस्टाग्राम पे इतने हैं तो मतलब यू नो like I
Acha.
mean I hope you're understanding what I'm
I
trying to say.
understand. I understand. Again, I would like to answer your question in two parts. ठीक है? सबसे पहला part ये कि जो आपने ये बोला था ना, that things are now different and earlier on, you know, they were perhaps slightly different. That's not the case. The only thing is that this competition and this kind of negativity always existed. There was always a lot of competition, right? The rating
Competition,
system was very
competitive,
different.
वो तो सब हमेशा से था.
ठीक
Yeah.
है ना. अब इमेजिन करें कि 80s में 70s में 80s में 90s में अगर सोशल मीडिया होता, the world would have been completely different. We were sort of, I think, safeguarded with the absence of the social media during those decades, right? Now, fast forward to 2020. Ratings count a lot. It's a fast-paced world, and with every decade or with after every few years, things change and perspectives change. Binish, there was a point of time in which people used to worship stars. They used to worship the moon, the sun, the stars. Then came a time that people started worshiping fire, right? Then people started worshiping artists and philosophers, and then people started worshiping magicians. By worshiping, I mean that they feel that whatever this person or this entity says or does or looks or reflects is the final say. In today's day and age, celebrities have become those idols for people to worship. Now, I'm not talking about a religious point. You have to understand where I'm
Yeah, not religious worshipping. We're not, Nazubilla, talking about that at all.
So my point is that people feel that, oh my God, if Mahira Khan has said something or Humayun Saeed has said something, then it has to be talked about. It has to be a big deal. The thing is, in Pakistan, a person who has a regular job from 9 to 5 or is a banker, is a teacher, professor, or a girl who's doing her own thing is no different than Mahira. What she or he holds an opinion of as a Pakistani is not different from any celebrity. First of all, I think that culture of, oh my God, putting people up on a pedestal just because of their social media presence or because of their association with the industry or sports or politics needs to be shunned. Because हम आज किसी को इस pedestal पे बिठाएंगे, अगले दिन हम उनका एक व्यू पॉइंट सुनेंगे which is completely different from ours and we'll be like, oh my God, I can't believe he or she said that. It's because he or she is a regular person with a different viewpoint. What did you expect? Did you expect that person to be the same person that you saw on screen? That is not true. So
that was a character they're portraying.
We need to understand our concepts and come back to reality. अब देखो TikTok, मैं आपको example देती हूँ. अभी आयशा उमर ने, and I felt very bad about it. आयशा उमर बेचारी, उसने परसों एक वीडियो लगाई, ठीक है? She was with her friends celebrating a birthday or something.
पापा कहते हैं.
They were singing पापा कहते हैं.
पापा कहते हैं.
Harmless fun, 4-5 girls together celebrating a birthday, just singing पापा कहते हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा, एक आप comments देखें from her character to her burning in hell to her parents to her family members, बद्दुआएं number 1. Number 2, the next day when you opened up, I mean, I saw my news feed at the channel called 24 News. You've heard about it?
Yeah.
24 News. 24 News is a popular channel. They put
unfortunately.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली यस, उन्होंने एक बैकलिस्ट तस्वीर लगाई हुई थी आयशा उमर की, और हेडलाइन क्या थी? आयशा उमर्स न्यू डांसिंग वीडियो becomes viral.
Oh
Now,
my
is this
God.
the way to
Now,
showcase
this is what
news
I mean,
items?
right? Yeah, this is
मतलब
what I mean.
fueling,
Like, you know, sensational, हर
unnecessary.
चीज को sensationalize कर देना, you know. और अभी मतलब Facebook पे भी और different जगहों पे, different forums पे भी, you would agree that captions भी कोई इस तरह की अब आने लगी हैं कि you want to see Mahira Khan's pictures on the at the beach, you know, click this, and when you'll
No,
click it, she's probably just, you know, having her chai, you know, and you're like, okay, what
clickbait.
is this, you know?
So this is
Yeah,
something,
exactly.
yeah, this is
Yeah.
something which was missing. Now, the thing is, everything has become on the tip of our fingertips, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
everything is accessible right now. That is something we need to shield ourselves against, right? This world is not real. What we think we see on the Instagram page of all these social media influencers, all these celebrities, their life is not all happy and beautiful and full of
No,
flowers.
they're normal human beings, you know,
Normal
like
human beings.
anyone would be, you
Like,
know, and they have their ups and downs. They will have a bad hair day. I'm sure
so there are
Mahira
two
Khan
things.
has a bad hair
Huh.
day, and I'm sure Aisha Umar's eyeliner will be crooked a million times, you know, or for that matter, you know, Ali Zafar Bhai is probably, you know, like maybe, you know, doesn't feel like singing one day, you know.
No, but Binish,
It's
also the
they're
thing
normal
is,
people, you know.
they're normal people. So A, we shouldn't take offense in what they have to
Yeah,
say, and feel no, they have
yeah.
a platform and they should do it. Okay,
And I
why
think
are
we
we
shouldn't take
expecting so
everything too
much?
seriously.
Too seriously, man. Let them
Yeah.
be. Why do we have this person called Khalilur Rahman Sahab on the TV every day? Do you think
Hmm.
it's because he's excellent at what he does? No.
Hmm.
It is because they know कि अगर वो आएंगे तू मैं होगी, गाली गलौज होगी,
हाँ तो बस
comments
वही लोग
आएंगे,
देखेंगे और बड़ा अच्छी
लोग
रेटिंग आ
देखेंगे.
जाएगी.
अब Nimra,
हाँ.
the girl who's become a viral
Oh,
sensation
she's
in the
lovely.
past.
I love her. I think she's so
Okay,
sweet.
now let me tell you, she's sweet. You appreciate that. Give her the love and let her be. You
Let her
don't have to
be.
call her on every TV station and
TV
make a fool
station.
out of her. And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
she will gain a lot of followers. And then one day she will say something bad and you will say like, oh my God, look at her thinking. तो भाई
हाँ, I know,
आप
I
उसको
know.
प्यार दे, दुआ दे और साइड पर कर दे, उसको मेहनत
साइड पे
करने
कर.
दे.
हाँ,
ये जो
बिल्कुल,
क्विक
बिल्कुल.
फेम है ना, इस क्विक फेम
Hmm.
को मत फूक दिया करें. Let
Hmm.
people earn their success. End of the
That's
story.
true. That's true. So what needs to change on social media? What needs to be completely eradicated, removed from social media? And over here I talk about Facebook and digital world. You know, what do you think should completely be gone?
I
Trolling,
think
I feel that एक ऐसा टैब होना चाहिए जो कोई stupid comment करे तो वो automatically zup हट जाना
delete हो
चाहिए,
जाए.
खुद ही delete हो जाए, you know.
खुद ही delete.
Facebook or any other place should just do this for us.
I think there should be two things in the digital sphere. Number one, it should become a safer space, and I think the digital laws should become more strict. अक्सर लोगों को जो मैंने रिपोर्ट किया होता है वो कहते हैं I'm sorry but they don't fall against the community guidelines. I think that
Yeah.
needs to be a little checked, number one. And I think
Yeah.
number two, it's not what you say and it's how you say it. So try being a little nicer, a little calmer when you say something.
That's true. I completely agree with you. So two more questions before we, you know, I was looking at the watch because I don't want this to end like abruptly. Because I think it like, you know, disconnects after I think 60 minutes or something like
Yes, so
that. Yeah, about
we
60.
have 10 minutes, yes.
Yeah, we have about approximately. So I wanted to ask you very quickly two, three things. Okay, so the first question of the last part of this dialogue or whatever, how has 2020 been for you, and what have you learned, you know, from this global pandemic?
You know what? I have learned three things in this global pandemic. Number one is gratitude. Gratitude for everything, because you don't know that it's going to be there tomorrow. It could be a person, it could be a memory, it could be a thing, it could be a moment. So I think we should be cherishing every moment and being grateful for that moment or that person in our life. The second thing that I've learned, Binesh, is that nothing in this world is permanent. दुनिया फनी है और हमने जाना है. So I think if we
बिल्कुल.
realize that worldly desires are nothing compared to the happiness that you get when you do something for others, and remain true to yourself, that happiness is unbelievable. So I think these are some of the things that I've learned.
These are, I beautifully said. I think it's just wonderful. You've kind of summed up exactly what I had in mind. Do you think that, okay, so I will want to give credit. I was talking to a friend of mine, an old college friend, Zara. I would like to give her a shout out. And we were talking about it, and she saw the promo that I'd put up, and about what today's talk was going to
Sure.
be about. And she was very happy, and she said that, nahi, we need to talk about as a society, लोग कुछ भी कह देते हैं, body shaming हो गई, किसी के बारे में आपने कुछ भी कह दिया, and you just don't feel terrible about making someone else's day,
Yeah,
completely,
that.
terrible. So she said something very nice, and it kind of stuck with me, and I want to give her a shout out. I don't know if she's watching this. We will be putting up this talk on the IGTV on my
Tag her
page.
then.
So yeah, inshallah, I will tag her for that. But she said something very interesting, and I want to ask you this question: that do you think that this plague of jealousy and wanting more, and how we're constantly just selling sadness, I mean, अगर आप TV dramas को भी देखें या अगर आप movies भी हमारी देखें, it's just, is it actually true that sadness sells more than happy content? क्योंकि हम अगर अपने टीवी के ड्रामे देखें तो बहू ने सास को ये कह दिया, सास ने उसको जला दिया, नंद जो बहन है वो उसका अफेयर उसके बहनोई के साथ चल रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर. आई मीन यस, ये सोसाइटी में है. आई एम नॉट डिसएग्रीइंग दैट ये इशू सोसाइटी में नहीं है, मगर क्या इतना जरूरी है कि हम सिर्फ एसी के ऊपर ड्रामे बनाएं? And so she said it so beautifully. She said that this whole competition and war of likes and followers and all of that, do you think it's slowly kind of eating kindness away from our
Right.
society?
So that's a very good perspective, and I think I'd like to give your friend a shout out as well from my side, and a salute as well. Because I feel she's on the right track, but I would like to add a few things also as an add-on, right? I feel that every digital portal in today's day and age sells something differently. Instagram sells beauty. Twitter sells anger.
Anger.
YouTube sells perhaps an element of being a prankster or some nasty tricks or something. Every digital platform has a different element, feeling, emotion that they sell. The only thing is that it all depends on you. Again, a quotation that you can make a heaven out of hell or a hell out of heaven. अगर आप इस rabbit hole में फंस गए, आपने social dilemma देखा है? That film, I'm sure you must have the documentary.
No, I haven't watched it yet.
Okay, so it says that if you're not paying for a product, you are the product, right? So we are a product for the social media tools and applications and mediums and platforms, because we have sort of indulged ourselves into that rabbit hole. So we have to stop ourselves. I don't think that we've stopped being kind only because we want to do more on the social media. I think we should just be kinder. I don't think we're not kind, but I think we should be kinder in person. And ये जो होता है ना कि अच्छा मुझे like करो, मुझे follow करो, तो मुझे tag करो, मुझे mention करो. This is not important. But when your friend calls you up at 3 a.m. and tells you that I have an anxiety attack, or when your sister is in trouble, when your mom needs you, that is when you should put your best foot forward and be there in their time of need.
Be there, absolutely. Oh my God, this has been amazing. This has been great, and I think we're left with very little time for us to kind of say bye bye to each other. I think we should do this regularly. Talk about these things, because it's very important to have this debate, this dialogue, and I read it somewhere, and Ali Asghar, my co-RJ on Munch on Lunch, always used to make fun of me because I always used to say this one quote and on the show, and I used to try and end the show in a style,
I remember that quote of yours.
No, you don't remember this one. This is another one.
I don't?
But I believe in it. I actually believe in it. There was somebody who would come in for a seminar to our college, and he said this, and he was an environmentalist, and he said that if you cannot produce happiness, you have no right to consume it. And don't you think it is very apt in today's time?
Absolutely. And the thing is that in the pursuit of happiness, we end up ignoring a lot of people and moments, and then they just pass, and then we forget about them, and then we remember them when they're no more. Happiness
Yeah.
comes from within. And you know, if you search for happiness,
Search
you
for
will
it
not find it.
within. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, and happiness is
Sophie,
everywhere.
thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure talking to you. I knew that the session would be amazing, but I never knew that it actually would make so much sense in my head, and I got a lot of clarity about a lot of things from another perspective, which is
My
amazing. So
pleasure. It's
thank you
nice talking
so
to you.
much for taking out time for my blog.
By the way,
And
I'd like to give a shout out to your team. I think you guys are doing a fantastic job, and this is something which is much needed in the digital space. कि ये बात नहीं है कि बार-बार एक ही चीज जो है आप दिखाई जाएं. I think you're giving a lot of engaging content and solid content. So keep it up, Vinesh. Very proud of you. वैसे आपको पता है मैं
thank
आपको
you.
काफी देर से ही कह रही थी कि
हाँ,
करते
मुझे
हैं.
पता है. आई नो. और मैं कब से लोगों को भी ये बोल रही थी कि मैं कब से 10 साल पहले से कह रही हूँ ब्लॉग बनाना है, ब्लॉग बनाना है, ब्लॉग बनाना है. बन
खुद
ही
बन
गया,
गया कि ब्लॉग मगर ब्लॉग नहीं बन सका.
बन नहीं गया. But thank you so much, Sophie. Love you. Take care of yourself. Lots of duas and salam to auntie and uncle. And inshallah, I'll
Love you
see you
too.
very, very soon.
Thank you so much, Binesh. Can I just end this session with one
Yes,
thought?
please. Yes, please do. Please do.
Okay. I think that one thought should be the thought of empathy. Because we can be a lot of things. We can be beautiful, we can be pretty, we can be talented. But I think in the world that we live in today, if you choose to be anything else, be kind. So
Be kind.
try and train your mind. If you want to type something nasty online, stop yourself. If you want to say something bad to someone, stop yourself. Be kind.
Yeah. Thank you so much on that thought, that beautiful thought. We're going to call it a night, and inshallah, we'll
Very
speak to you very
nice.
soon about, another topic, inshallah, soon.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye. Take care. You
Bye.
take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Wow, what an interesting, amazing, fun session this was. I mean, I knew that it was going to be fun, but I never knew that it's going to be this fun. I will be putting up this entire session on IGTV. So for those of you who missed out, or if you want to reflect back and watch the session again about something that we were talking about, please feel free to do so. And I mean, yes, making a blog requires followers, and you want to have that many followers and that many likes. And I mean, everyone does. We're all probably in it for the same thing. But don't let that be the only thing that matters. There is a lot more to life. There's a lot more that you can achieve. I think we should just probably focus on that. So, बहुत सारी दुआएं. Thank you so much. Good night. Love you all. एंड जैसे सोफी कह रही थी, मेरे नाना, मेरी अम्मी, मेरे अब्बू सब यही एक बात हमेशा कहते हैं कि बेटा, कोई भी बात कहने से पहले 10 दफा सोचा करो कि क्या कहने वाले हो. सो आई थिंक अगर हम ये छोटा सा रूल अपनी जिंदगी में अप्लाई कर लें, तो बहुत सी मुश्किलें आसान हो जाएंगी. लव यू गाइस, टेक केयर. आई विल कैच यू गाइस इंशाल्लाह अगेन फॉर अनदर लाइव सेशन. बाय बाय.